Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 5, Lesson 4. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to create composite shapes from two-dimensional shapes, which in this lesson we use pattern blocks to be able to create composite shapes. So looking at this, we had to use two trapezoids to make a hexagon with pattern blocks. Now, one thing is that once you make the shape, you then have to trace it, which tracing it is whenever it starts to get a little bit more difficult. Because whenever you trace it, you have to hold down all the shapes that you have that made that composite shape, and you have to trace along the outer edge of all of them. Then you have to take off one at a time, and you need to trace the inner part of where that one's left, kind of leaving like a little blueprint to kind of show which shapes you used. Now, looking at this example right here, there are some things that are missing here. First thing that I see is that these two triangles right here are not actually together, which makes it very difficult to be able to trace properly. So you have to make sure that all of your pattern blocks are touching, making that shape that you want. You have to hold it down tightly with one hand. The hand that you don't write with is the one you hold it down with, and the hand you write with, that's the one that you use to trace. And if you have it like this, pattern blocks like this, you won't be able to trace your picture very well. Now looking at this, the tracing, now it looks like a hexagon. This is not a problem. The problem is to be able to see the two shapes that you used. Now it should have looked something like this. You should just have like a line showing that you used two trapezoids. One trapezoid, two trapezoids. Okay. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.